I'm here to explain the AXI communication through MAXVY UCIe VIP. Before jumping to that, let me share some quick insights on UCIe. UCIe is a standard designed to facilitate high bandwidth communication between heterogeneous chiplets in a single package. It is a multi-layered protocol with a protocol layer, die-to-die adapter layer, and a physical layer. Physical layer is used to facilitate data transmission between the dies. Die-to-die adapter deals the link management functionality and protocol arbitration and negotiations. Protocol layer defines the rules and convention for data exchange. As of now, protocol layer supports PCIe, CXL, and streaming protocols. And we are using the streaming capability of the UCIe to facilitate AXI communication. This is the block diagram that explains the AXI communication through the UCIe. For the convenience for the explanation, let us consider the AXI master is connected to die 0 and AXI slave is connected to die 1. And I am using the term streaming AXI master for the AXI master inside the protocol layer, and similarly streaming AXI slave for the slave inside the protocol layer. In this waveform, I am gonna explain the flow of the AXI through the UCIe with a format flow. As you can see, streaming AXI slave is connected to the AXI master through this bus, and we are collecting this data and converting into the fleet format. The fleet format will look like this. After the first two header bytes, next byte is AW size, next is AW length, and next byte is AW burst. We are also adding an extra byte for write read identifier. The next 4 byte is the address and the next 4 byte is the data. And this format will flow through the D2D adapter and physical layer of the die 0, and it will reach us to the physical layer, die-to-die adapter, and the protocol layer of the other die. When it reaches to the protocol layer, it means it is reaching to the streaming AXI slave in the die 1. This will convert the fleet format into the AXI data, and it will send the data to the AXI slave through the bus connected with the streaming AXI master. Once the AXI slave receives the data, the response will be collected back to the die 1 through the same flow that we explained before. It will be going through the die 1 protocol layer, D2D adapter, and physical layer, and reaches to the protocol layer of die 1, in which we have streaming AXI slave that will convert the data to the AXI data and send back to the AXI master through the bus connected to it. For the retransfer, we will be sending the address, data, and AW size, length, and burst that we are using in the write translation. So in the similar fashion, the data will reach to the other die, and it will be sent to the AXI slave through the bus connected with the AXI streaming master. Once the data reaches to the AXI slave, the read data and read response is collected back to the die 1 by converting the data to the fleet format from the streaming AXI master, and the streaming AXI slave will send back the data to the AXI master from the die 0. Feel free to contact us. Thanks for watching.